How to change the default video playing app, in which if you have a video on your phone to view, this is the app that's going to open up to play that video. This here is a Redmi Note 13 Pro phone or any other Redmi Note phones with HyperOS 2 Android 15. To find the video playing app default settings, use the quick access, and with HyperOS 2 you're going to look for this setting toggle here. Once in the main settings of your Xiaomi phone, you want to go down to the part that says apps. So you're looking for apps right here. And once in this section here, if you look to the top area where the three dots are, you'll tap here and you'll see other settings. So go into other settings and then you'll see default apps right here. Once here now, you'll see the different default apps that you can choose from. And you have a variety of them here, but you're going to the one that says play video. Now that you're here now, if you have another video playing app that you might have installed from the Play Store or anywhere else, you can see it here. And it's always best to use the one that the phone comes with, which in this case here, for the Xiaomi phone, it would be this here. And once you've made that selection, if your friend sends you a video to view or you have a video saved on your phone and you want to be able to view it in the gallery app, that's the player that's going to open up to view it. And you can change this at any given time, like and so.